Sage chips, a simple and delicious summer snack. This past summer I had the pleasure of creating a quick snack while visiting our friends Annick and Jean-Michel. The preparation was made even more enjoyable with Annick's assistance during the process. This snack is both delicious and simple to make. The recipe results in crispy sage chips, offering a unique and flavorful treat that is perfect for sharing with friends. Enjoy this quick video and the sage chips.
Just enough, just enough.